channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing to you how to bake banana cake. Actually guys, I already made this one before. I baked just once before and it was just a trial and error, something like that. But I guess it was successful and I had a witness. My boyfriend told me so too, so yeah, I might as well share it to you. What are the ingredients to be used, how to make it, and the measurement of the ingredients, so we can have a good result at least. So without further ado, let's go cooking. So here are the ingredients: 2 pieces banana, 1 piece of egg, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and don't forget the flour, 1/2 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, white sugar, and vanilla extract. Actually guys, I don't have vanilla extract, so I'll just use the vanilla cream because it's the only one that's available in our fridge. So move on to the procedure. First thing to do is to have a separate bowl for the dry ingredients and the mushy or the liquid ingredients. So first we'll do the dried ingredients. So first is the flour. The next is the sugar, white sugar, then the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt. So you have to mix it thoroughly guys. Mix it thoroughly until it's fine and the ingredients is well combined. After the dry ingredients are already mixed and combined well, we have to proceed to the next one. So in a separate bowl, you have to grind the banana first, like grind it thoroughly. Once the banana is good, add the egg and the vanilla extract or the vanilla cream. So the next thing that I'm gonna do, well, I have to combine this very well and I'll be using a mixer. So now that our banana, egg, and vanilla is already mixed well and well combined, then we have to put the dry ingredients to the liquid ingredients. Just pour it like that, and we have to mix it well again. Since we're done about mixing all the ingredients thoroughly, so let's move on to putting it into the pan. But guys, I don't have like a proper pan for this because I just use what we have here in our kitchen. So I have an aluminum foil and I have an aluminum pan as well, but it has rust already. So I just to make sure, I use aluminum foil to cover the pan, and before I'll put the ingredients here, I have to put butter in it first. We have to put butter, melted butter, in the inside of the pan. So the or pre-baked banana cake will not stick in the pan. Actually guys, sorry, I forgot to tell you, putting butter and cheese in your banana cake is in the optional. So you can actually put butter and cheese in it to make you know, good taste at least, or additional taste to your cake. I forgot to mention that. Sorry. So I'm finished putting butter in our pan. So I have to pour all the all the ingredients. So now I have to pour all the ingredients in our pan. We have to set it in baking, then set to 180 degrees. And this light here, guys, it will automatically turn off once the oven heats the 180 degrees already. So let's just wait. So here you go. Our banana cake is already cooked, guys. So our banana cake is already cooked. So this is another successful cooking session, guys. As you can see, here's my banana cake here, and I have an ice cream on my left. So you can serve your banana cake with ice cream while it's hot. So thank you all guys for watching, and for all the new visitors, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I'll see you all on my next vlog. Thank you for watching.